I can experience myself in a fuller way. I am more present, I have more energy for the things I like to do in my life, and I'm more present with the sexuality. I'm more present for my beloved, I'm more present in the lovemaking, and I can actually last longer in the lovemaking. We've got strange and distorted role models, we've got strange and distorted views of how to interact with women from the male side. We've got tyrant kind of archetypal energies that are at play within the men. That is one example of many that keep us from really experiencing our sexuality from the fullest. Even though we think we're super open and free with sexuality and are in a society where it's all allowed and everything is cool, we may still have unconsciously some judgments about sexuality that are sort of laden with guilt or shame. And in this workshop we get an opportunity to overwrite those, to actually say to our own field of consciousness, I let these judgments of sexuality go, and I'm rewriting it with a new judgment which allows for it to be seen by me and then by my beloved as well, as sexuality as something sacred, as something very free and very simple, something that's really our birthright as humanity. I see myself as a man who's sharing his experiences. I hold no title, and this is actually an agreement that I insist on in the beginning, that everybody is really self-responsible for what they do with this knowledge. And that to me is a very sovereign way to be with each other. And that way I'm not putting myself on a pedestal or saying that I know the absolute truth. I'm really sharing from my process and telling you what has worked for me in the last 10 years and actually only in the last 5 years where I really put all the pieces together. And my hope is that by me sharing this openly and transparently, that the journey for the others that hear about this is going to be shorter than mine to arrive at the same results. This workshop is about helping you to find out how to experience the full range of what you can experience in your own sexuality, going from physical to energetic to emotional to the soul level. So all of this range, of course, not in 2 days is going to be achieved by everybody, but they get the tools to experiment in a way that they might arrive at all of those, at the full range of their own sexuality.